Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the little Underwood 4-bank here. Nice little typewriter. But it wasn't so nice when I got it. This is the one that needed the feed rollers, which it now has. New feed rollers up here, right here. Both sides working good. This also had carriage release lever. It was jammed, and I thought it was going to be over here on this collar, or on this side frame. Turned out to be all the way over on the other side, under here. The rack was bent, jammed up over here. It was also jamming up because of the carriage lock assembly right here wasn't engaging properly, so now it's engaging properly right there, just like that. So now carriage is locked, and it also, when it's in lock position, it doesn't shift. So that's pretty important feature to be working right. Now, the shift is also fixed. It wouldn't shift up and down when I got it. It was just a matter of flushing the mechanism and getting it freed up. The ribbon lift was jammed, and the ribbon drive was jammed, which is all fixed up now, looking good, even all the way up, nice and smooth. Ribbon drive is fixed. Of course, all the keys here were sticking. Those are all nice and happy again. So everything's been cleaned here. Type's all perfect here, and segment and everything is just near perfect on this. Did rework the keytops here a little bit too. Got them kind of cleaned up good. So that's looking good. Spacebar bumper replaced down here, so it gets good action. Also adjusted it for the perfect adjustment. Had a couple other things that weren't even on the list. The margin rack was gummed up so bad these won't even slide. So I've got that all fixed up. Let's see what else there was. Oh yeah, that's right. So also made these little gizmos for the ribbon right here. Little screw latches. Made both these, and I'm painting them black to match. And everything is working. Turned out to be a pretty good recovery here on this machine, so let's see how she types today. Not a bad little typewriter. Looks pretty good for well, this is like 80 years old, this guy, so well, she's up and running. Got the bottom all cleaned up too. There was quite a bit of debris on this one down in here, and when I cleaned the segment up here to get the keys working, turned out this segment here was as gummed up as the top segment. So when I flushed the top segment, it was still sticking. So all these little pivots had to be flushed out here too. So now the action is working perfect on this machine. So alright, that's my little video follow-up highlight on this Underwood 4-bank. Good day.